Alright, so now that we've got the disco up and running again, we're going to try out a tip we were given by viewer Owen Willis to reset the clock. So the clock says 4:19 right now, and it is actually 1:56 p.m. So Owen says press and hold the clock button. The thing is, none of these are buttons.
You're stuck.
Applying more pressure.
Clock buttons over here.
Okay, well. So, Andrew thought he remembered reading something about a pin. I've got a pin. Safety pin. I'm going to see if using the little holes on the buttons with the pin is what we need. Definitely feel some give. I'm driving, so it's a little tricky. Oh yes, that is how you do it. It is a pin. So it's 1:58 right now. 7:59. I'm assuming this is minutes. I think it is. Might as well just set it a few minutes faster. 2:02, and it is 3 minutes fast, but that's fine.
It's better than like 4.5 hours wrong.
Alright, well, problem solved. Thanks to Owen Willis for the tip.